makikita mo yung growth nila as an actor and as an actress na hindi lang sila yung pangkilig-kilig pero they can do so much more.
Ngiti, ano siya, a song siya about finding comfort sa mga maliliit na bagay na kamari may pinagdadaanan ka. Minsan yung healing hindi siya grande, minsan unti-unti talaga siya. Nasa simpleng smile, nagkakaroon ka ng glimpse of hope and napapansin mo na nakaka-recover ka, nakakabangon.
We're very excited na itawid ang kwento ng Ngiti mula sa pagiging kanta to a brand new story. A short film will be starring Das Pia. Excited kami dahil binigyan nila talaga ng bagong buhay itong kanta na to. Excited kami sa story because this adds more depth to the meaning of ngiti. So, kung tingin ng mga tao yung ngiti is a shallow smile na nakatayong crush ko na pangiti ako. Although it's, yes, there's that part, but also kadalasan, especially sa panahon natin ngayon, maraming pinagdadaanan yung mga tao. Di ba? Napakaraming dahilan para tayo ay malungkot, mag-worry, maging anxious, ganyan. But we wanna give them a story that will tell them na kahit ano pang pinagdadaanan mo, you will always find a reason to smile. And we're excited dahil yun yan, itong kwento ng short film namin with the help of Dustin and Bianca. Hopefully maitawid namin ito sa mga listeners namin and even sa fans ng Das Pia. It was a long process, honestly. We started our ideation back in November and we were able to shoot by March. So even in the early stages of forming the story, nasa wishlist na talaga namin sila. And also, kasi alam namin din na si Dustin posted about the Hungad song. I'm not sure kung
Nag-post siya ng photo niya tapos may yung background.
Yes, may ganun. So,
Full circle pala.
doon pa lang, nagparamdam lang kami sa kanya lang, bigyan mo ngayon, diba? So, full circle moment talaga that we get to have them. They were on top of mind when we were formulating the concept. But then, during that time also, ano yun eh, dahil November, may movie sila sa MMFF, ganyan. So, mahabang kwento yung pinagdaanan namin, but sabi nga nila kung para sa'yo talaga, di ba? So, that's why times 10 yung excitement namin to let people know na sila yung gaganap sa short film na to. And nasilip ko na yung preview ng short film, and I can say that they really did an amazing job portraying the character and then relaying the story on screen.
Super smooth and super saya nila ka-work. Nung time na nagkaroon kami chance na makapag-usap-usap, alam mo yung feeling na yung nagpo-flow lang yung conversation. Tapos very entertaining din sila, very friendly din. Hindi mo mafe-feel sa kanila na yung sobrang sikat nila. Hindi mo mafe-feel sa kanila na, alam mo yung aloof sa mga tao. Talagang sila, very friendly. Tapos tawanan lang kami ng tawanan nung nag-uusap-usap kami. And in terms dun naman sa role nila dun sa short film, makikita mo yung growth nila as an actor and as an actress na hindi lang sila yung pangkilig-kilig pero they can do so much more. And we can also see their professionalism na sobrang aga nila doon. Tapos kahit may mga commitments sila the other day, talagang parang pinush nila na mangyari tong music video. Kaya sobrang tuwang-tuwa kami na sila talaga yung naging cast nitong short film.
Yeah, and syempre typical naman na sasagutin talaga, di ba, namin na sila nila kasama, but sincerely, ako first time ko sila ma-meet in person. Pero kahit na sobrang seryoso yung mga eksena dun sa short film, tawa lang talaga kami ng tao in between takes. Alam mo yung feeling mo na parang matagal mo na silang tropa kahit first time mo lang talaga sila nakasama. So, it didn't feel like work. Yun nga, sa dami ng ng challenges na pinagdaanan namin mounting the short film, the shooting day itself felt like it was the reward. Alam mo yun, di ba, hindi namin na-feel, kasi usually, di ba, you prepare for a shoot, and pagdating sa shoot, nandun lahat ng problema. Di ba? Pero, it feels like that day, we felt like we were just playing. Parang lang kami naglalaro. Para kang meron bagong kaibigan na feeling mo matagal mo na siya lang kakilala.
Yeah.
That's the magic of Dustin and Bianca on set. Tapos yun, gaya nga sabi niya, si Dustin came from a shoot. Parang umaga na rin siya napakap, ganun. Tapos pagting niya doon, wala siyang... Hindi siya pa-artist, gets ba? So tired. Wala siyang ganun, no? Parang game agad, ganun. Si Bianca, first take niya, may luha agad. Ganun level. So, hindi nila kami tinipid for this project. They really gave it their all. And makikita yun ng audience when they see it. Makikita lang yung sabihin namin.
And we also appreciate yung willingness, sorry. Gano'n namin sila kalab. Ang dami namin nasasabi. But anyway, super na-appreciate namin yung willingness and eagerness nila na mapaganda talaga yung short film. Kasi I remember, mga intense kasi yung scene. So yung mga dudulon, mga nasa ER, ganyan. Pero kahit nakakailang takes na, they're very willing na i-shoot ulit yung certain parts just so that it can be perfect. So, yun yung na-appreciate ko din sa kanila.
Oh, it's sweet.
Actually, nahirapan kami. Magpigil ng tawa. Saka, ang maganda na nangyari, we came in na hindi kakakilala, pero after nung shoot, sobrang naging parang magkakaibigan. Hindi parang, naging magkakaibigan na may group chat na rin. Oo, may group chat na kami.